We're rating Lee Morgan on site of an Emrat, where Earth at the Emperor stay in the Guardian. We know has the motivational. It's so or and then Alrins.
And Lee's like, and sort of part of their,
All jokes aside. All jokes aside, I'm gonna give you 10 minutes to bring me my technology and to have somebody from production come upstairs to have a discussion. And within that 10 minutes, we can come up to some kind of understanding, or I can pack my bags and I can leave tonight and I will pay for my own Uber. No problem. So, you know, I would appreciate if you would give me my cell phone. Because if you're going to play games with me, then you can find somebody else to play games with. I'd rather be at home where it's comfortable and Lux, where people aren't making up rumors about me, where people aren't making things up about me and you just let it happen. Because you know what? That's not loyalty. That's not loyalty. That's not loyalty. None of those girls are ever going to fuck you. You understand? And I don't mean that to be mean, it's just the truth. Like, yeah, they might be attractive to look at and work with and whatever. But you know what? I had real loyalty. I cared about the company. That's better. Unless I get them all.
Happy birthday.
Every motherfucker.
Happy birthday.
I'm good.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday.
I'm smoking on our friend Lil Nigga. You gotta stay cause you was a cash cow fuck nigga. Pop that Zanny and roll around for me.
I know, I make the most money out of everybody. I totally get it, even the hot girl. I know, I make the most money out of everybody. The stocks don't mean anything. PTS is gonna make the real money. And I am the money maker, yes, yes, yes. But the way that you keep the money maker is that you come and talk to them. I think I'm good. I'm going home tonight.
Happy birthday, birthday. Happy birthday, birthday. Happy birthday, birthday. Happy.
Why did you let them shoot me, Rachel?
That'd be dope. That would be so dope if we fucked with Rachel for content. That would be so dope. Talking about her dead friend that got shot in the back of the head, that'd be so dope.
Emily, turn around.
It's so dope to make fun of her for getting shot in the back of the head. It would be so dope to
Emily,
make fun
turn
of
around.
It would be so
Emily,
dope
turn
to make
around.
fun of women that got shot in the back of the head. It would be so dope to make fun of that woman. It would be so dope. So dope. So dope. So dope. So dope.
Yo, Rachel, why did the golfer change his pair of pants? Because he had a hole in O&E.
H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A. Good night. Really.
The fishing, do just something that we are. Bird me up, stay on one some base. Kill your fish and live a broken world.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
Why did you join FISHTANK? Production didn't tell us anything.
Production couldn't tell you anything. Production couldn't tell us anything.
Rachel, I'm your dead friend. Just give up and join me in hell. Your whore mother will be here soon as well.
Okay.
Oink oink.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I got the keys to go home. I think I'm gonna go home tonight and get a good night's rest. I'm gonna start packing now. For real. I want to have a cigarette. And once I have that cigarette, I'm leaving tonight. So
Not even jokes.
I'm looking
Literally
for
tens
cigarettes.
of thousands of people and everyone in the house thinks you're a full-on retard.
I know that. So I'm leaving. So I'm leaving.
Help you!
I know you win. I'm leaving.
Help you!
I'm leaving.
Help you!
You got the lights out all you want. I'm still leaving.
Help you!
I'll leave the door. I don't care. I don't care. I'll call the police on neighbor's house. I'm leaving. I don't care. No shit. No shit.
Rachel, hurry! Production is flushing your Xanax in the downstairs bath.
That's fine. I don't even know what it is.
10 toes down, choose into it.
I don't
Are you
even-
leaving?
I don't even know.
We fear for you, girl.
I don't even know what it is. Creepy, being weird.
Yeah. I need you to go into B3 and tell Rachel your ghost story, please, about how you saw a ghost. Okay. Okay, thanks. She's gonna try to not listen, don't let her. Just tell her the story, okay?
Rachel! Where are you? Rachel! Rachel! I knew you, ghost story. You got it over here.
Just go to bed, little one. Just go to bed, little one. You go to bed, little one.
You got any ghost stories? 'Cause I gotta
You
tell
go
you.
to bed, little one. Just go to bed, little one. You go to bed.
Anyways, I got a ghost story.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
I don't have this to come
birthday,
out.
happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
Can I do something crazy?
birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
June. June 13th.
Probably like 300 esters.
No way.
Happy birthday,
I have the
happy birthday,
no charger,
birthday, happy birthday.
June 13th, I
I don't
had a
care.
haunting. Listen to me. I moved into a house.
You're too lazy to even pack your fucking bags and walk out, you fat cow.
That's
I
not
dare
true.
you to try to stand up without tipping over.
I'm trying to find my fucking cigarettes, but you do you, babe. I think it's only $20 per GTS. I'm making you 20 per GTS.
Adderall?
Eat, Matt. Don't touch my shit.
I'm not. I'm just looking.
You're a fucking drug addict, and you're not gonna touch my shit.
June 13th.
Can I talk about drug addicts?
We started the show June 13th, right? I really got to tell you, Ghost Story. I'm going to tell everybody.
He has a problem with Adderall.
I don't.
A drug addict problem with Adderall.
June 13th,
Until we had to update, our king with someone shy, as she would spray on themselves. Is more love the sun has made, and sting
You found it, Blair?
I can't find my cigarette.
June 13th was the first day.
Hackmaster Hog.
Do you have any stories of supernatural?
Good night, Rachel. You pig oink, pink oink.
On June 13th, I had a haunting. I lived in this place in North Haven, and this girl that I was in her bedroom. She died.
Okay,
on June 13th. She died on June 13th. I swear to God. And
I'm gonna start packing faster so I can get out of here quicker.
And there was on June 13th. It's crazy how like that day is apparent. June 13th.
I'm like literally.
It's completely impossible to like tell you a ghost story, dude. It's impossible. Because you know,
Bring your head back, the big hog down, name of the Avenger, the big hog band. Oh, you know they hog it to get the hog band.
I like the
lady songs in the ballad, be hog down.
Tonight is the night.
Biggie, Rachel, and then you spin wiggly, you spin it to you.
Tonight, I'll leave. Tonight.
Piggy, Rachel, Piggy, Rachel, Kira's Piggy, yeah!
Picture still when they're on her mountain. It's torment pipe by her knee. As her will do for a win. Got my CPAP on my knee. Gotta help me to the news. You tell me that count the sound. Tell me don't see that man meals. My queen get through out of my seat. Mama don't.
Tonight, from my bed. My nice place.
June 13th, 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 June 13th.
Little Red Book.
You smoking a cigarette?
Earlier, you said you did not eat Chips Ahoy. You then scarfed them all. Jabba the Hutt.
You're supposed to smoke on
You
the
will
bed.
never work for Sam. Gee.
I don't need to work for Sam.
Oh, no. Give a letter. It's actually mine, actually.
I'll
bring it back.
Sam, Jack. No, it was Ben.
You shouldn't walk out on the show. You should like jog. You could do with the cardio.
Rachel, you stupid bitch! You're supposed to smoke under the bed!
Okay, well, I guess those rules don't apply anymore because I'm packing.
Oh. Hey.
nuts.
Oh.
Well, James, it's alright. That's alright. That's okay. That's alright, I'm out.
Mizzy here, Kalkalaka here, Mr. Beans here, Brookie Beer, Jet here, Michael here, Bert here. Just letting you know we're fat.
Help, let me in. I escaped from the fish tank next door.
Ugh, so funny.
Help, let me in. I escaped from the fish tank next door.
So funny. Hilarious.
Help, let me in. I escaped from the fish tank next door.
Hilarious.
Help, let me in. I escaped from the fish tank next door.
This is great.
Oh, hear the sounds. Oh, hear the sounds.
Okay.
How about you get your fat ass up and go talk to production yourself?
Oh, really?
Food for thought.
Oh, really?
Not
Oh,
the
really?
eating kind.
Well, you know what? Maybe I want to have a conversation in private.
Rachel, I pray to the gods, pop a titty out, please.
Maybe I want to have a conversation in private. I'm trying to pack. I can't even see where the light is. I'm over it. You guys are great. Sam, Jet, Ben. I think you're geniuses. I think you're gonna make a lot of money. I think you're gonna have continued success. I was serious. I was serious. I really wanted to work for you. But you know, like, this is ridiculous at this point. This is like real ridiculous at this point. Like, I can't even get a basic answer to a question. If I'm going to be eliminated or not, or what, because I want to know, because I'm going to save myself the embarrassment. I'm not going to sit here and be rejected yet again, right on my fucking first elimination. Okay, people are over here telling me that I'm going to be eliminated tomorrow. I don't care. Turn on the lights all you want. I'm still backing, because I don't give a fuck. You don't want to answer my question? I'm good. I'm gone. I'm good, I'm gone. Michael will come get me. Oh, he's probably in the area. He'll come pick me up and send my truck. And then he'll come in and we'll talk to you. We'll see how that goes. Because really, this is childish as fuck. These kids are fucking childish. Don't know the first thing about the industry. And you know what? I should have never accepted this kid like that. You know what I mean? You guys are great. But you need like real retards in there. Not just fat people. You need like retards that really don't know any better.
RACHAEL the fat, whichever the stench, and the rice goings a stir the fat, when somewhere the stench, and when just enter though, see he well stir as the
Enjoy your candles.
I'll be real. You're obese.
Yeah.
Hysterical.
Yeah.
Pathetic.
Yeah.
Your father was a great man. My friend isn't shot in the head either. You think you're in a position to make demands?
I'm not making demands.
Mayo, go down and give them a piece of your mind. They won't come to you. Lol.
No. I'm not in a place to make demands. I'm not making demands.
It's been 5 minutes and no one's on the phone. Plans on where you're getting a hotel?
I don't need a
Uber runs
hotel.
pretty late.
I don't need a hotel.
Yoga, that's it! Yoga! Yoga, that's it!
I don't need a hotel.
Yoga, that's it! Yoga! Yoga, that's it! Yoga!
I don't need a hotel.
Yoga, that's it! Yoga! Yoga, that's it! Yoga! Yoga, that's it!
I'll tell you that. Everything is so funny, right? Oh my god. Everything is so funny. Cats.
Hey, can you smoke under the bed, please? Thank you.
I'm not smoking. But, yeah.
Don't leave.
I
You're an
am
inspiration to every dead mom and shot dead friends out there. Go, Piggy, go.
I am living.
Here is first white warmer. On the ghost.
It's very fucking...
Black man cat call.
And give me one fucking answer. It's very childish. Very
Tony feet observations that it's
Very,
even called cat con, a cat warmer, cap for her visit Carol, sapping the white, a white warmer, and the plead and
I don't know what the hell is going on.
You're not making a dime off of these messages. You're not getting a job, and production won't be your friend. Leave now.
Okay.
Syntax submission grade. Us, the ghost of George Floyd will haunt you. The ghost of George Floyd will haunt you.
Okay.
The ghost of George Floyd will haunt.
Okay.
Pity party act failed, so your true Jewish nature comes out.
Yeah, I guess
Typical.
so. I guess so.
You will never leave. This is the only thing you will ever have.
No.
Oink for us, you fat jester bitch.
Try again.
No one fucking cares if you stay or go. Please get the fuck out, you dumb fat bitch.
Okay, on it. It's pretty funny. Not gonna lie, it is pretty funny.
This bitch has got a peace symbol on her forearm when she's actually a pig of war. Ha ha ha, fuck you, Ellie killed herself.
When you eventually leave, you will see that this same thing happening to the next person. You are not special, just weak.
Am I literally seeing him? I feel like I'm not. I feel like I'm not.
Damn, that's a huge bitch! Your blood pressure is too high. Eat a damn snack and roll in the mud for a while. Boo-hoo!
Yo, maybe if you guys would tell me to stop starving myself. Maybe, just maybe, just maybe. If you guys tell me to stop starving myself,